Extra.
Referring to someone who is over the top, dramatic, or excessively attention seeking.
Keep it real.
Encouraging authenticity, honesty, and staying true to oneself.
TBT, Throwback Thursday.
Referring to the act of sharing or reminiscing about past memories, photos, or experiences on social media, typically done on a Thursday.
FaceTime me.
Inviting someone to video chat using the FaceTime application, often used as a general term for video calling.
Secure the bag.
Achieving financial success or obtaining a significant amount of money.